going on, guys? Welcome back. This is part of the series where we just break down one trail at a time. Today we're going to do Tree Hugger. We are starting from the top hub. We're going to head down this trail. Hello. Tree Hugger, one of my favorites. It's classified as a blue, I believe. It is super smooth. It's just a single track through the woods. So you're gonna make a right turn here, and then a left, or you can come in on this side here. It's up to you. And here we are. Now technically you can come the other direction, but this way is the intended route as it gradually slopes downward. But this is a great place to practice flat turns, flat corners, things like that. You really gotta do some bike body separation, lean the bike. It's good practice for it. Like I said, this track is pretty smooth. There's some roots here and there. And there's one, maybe two sections where you got two trees you got to thread the needle through. And so just be careful there so you don't hit your hand. One of those gaps. There are some sandy bits, depending on if there's been rain or the lack thereof. Some of these turns can make you wash out, so just be careful. Right at this end, you got kind of a fork. You can either go wide or break hard, cut it short. And from here, it's pretty much the end of it. You just make your way down. And that's pretty much it. Now there is this section here that joins in with Stay Gold. A little bit of a climb there. Helps just to kind of get a running start, move your weight around so that you can get up and over. And then this rock garden. Yep, pretty much it. Tree Hugger to Stay Gold. You can keep going that direction. Kind of keep the same blue momentum, but other than that, hope you enjoy. Thanks.